Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, WLAN module, and 2.5-inch storage drive assembly. Removal. Remove the wireless LAN antennas from the routing channel on the right speaker and right display panel hinge. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable's ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the motherboard. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the left display panel hinge where the display panel hinges and open it approximately 90 degrees. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Slide the alignment pins on the top cover out of the display panel hinges and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.